Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok hashtag limit. Recently, TikTok has changed the way hashtags work. In the latest update, you can only add a maximum of 5 hashtags to a single post. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type TikTok Studio and download the app. TikTok Studio is an official tool made by TikTok for creators. It allows you to manage your videos, schedule posts, and upload content with more advanced options. Once the download is complete, open the TikTok Studio app and log in with the same TikTok account that you use on your main app. After logging in, tap on the Upload button. Select the video you want to post from your device. You can trim or adjust the video if you need to, just like in the regular TikTok app. When you move to the caption section, you will notice that the hashtag limit is different here. Unlike the regular TikTok app, TikTok Studio lets you add more than 5 hashtags. You can type your caption first, and then add as many relevant hashtags as you want without worrying about the limit. Thanks for watching.